Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So this video is a request on how to remove the airbag, in particular the 8th gen Maxima steering wheel airbag. So this applies to all 8th gens, and if you swap your older Nissan Maxima steering wheel for 8th gen, I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's hella simple, but for safety first, make sure you disconnect your battery at least an hour prior to you removing it. So you're gonna need like a long screwdriver like this. It's kind of skinny but long. This is at least 3 inches long, which is perfect. So there's 3 holes on the steering wheel. There's one at the bottom. If you look, there's a little hole right there. That one's the easiest one. You just put well, it's gonna be harder to explain for y'all to get it, but if you put it in, you gotta put it like, let me show you. As soon as you stick it straight up, you're gonna feel some resistance, and that's the tab for the bottom of the steering wheel, airbag. So if you push that up, like, just go slowly until you feel some resistance. As soon as you feel resistance, you see, well, I'm not sure if the camera caught that. So let me find the hole again. So put it, like, don't even put no pressure, just keep feeling. Once you feel some resistance on the tip of the screwdriver, if you push, it slipped off. All right, see, the bottom of the airbag is now loose. So then there's 2 holes on the back side. Let me flip you around. All right, so there's 2 holes on the back side. It's gonna be one on by the pedal shifters, if you got pedal shifters, and on the other side. So it's gonna be on both sides of the steering wheel. So if I turn the steering wheel over, there's the first hole right there. It's kind of dark, but there's yeah, I really can't. Well, there's a hole right here. I'm sorry, guys. So for that one, on the back side, there you go. So it's not this one, the long one, it's the smaller one. So that one is kind of tricky. So that one, you're going to have to put it in an angle, not straight, in an angle. And the reason you got to put it in an angle is because the two top ones on this particular 8th gen, there's like at least 25 to 30 different steering wheels for the 8th gen Maxima. So the one I have has 2 springs up here and then one down here. I'm not sure what the other ones are, how they're set up, but it should be very similar to this particular airbag. So the reason you got to put it in an angle is because you're going to grab hold of a clip, and then you got to turn your screwdriver like that, and it's going to lift up the clip like this. So when it's turned to an angle, the spring, while you're holding on with the screwdriver, it's going to unhook the spring, and that's holding one side of the airbag. So I'm going to find my tripod because I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this. So let me get my tripod. I'll be right back. All right, so that's the best place I could probably put y'all, but you see I'm putting it in an angle, and the other hand you want to pull, well, gently with your other hand. So you're gonna put it in an angle and then tilt to the side. It's gonna take a couple tries because you can't really see it, but you can feel it. All right, I accidentally put the bottom back in. All right, that's out. I'm gonna hold at the bottom, trying to feel for the spring. I got it? Yeah. Oh, I was in the wrong hole, that's why. All right, so. All right, this side is out. You see the airbag popped out. So now you want to repeat the same thing for the opposite side, and it's the same hole. Let's put it in an angle. gotta turn the steering wheel a little bit more, so I can have a little bit more leverage to turn the screwdriver. There you go. Now this airbag is out. So I'm gonna disconnect this so I could show you how it's working. You want to gently pull up on the black tab. And then once you got those two lift up, just pull them out. Let me disconnect the horn. Just wiggle it. All right, so let me show you exactly how's it working. Let me take it off the tripod. All right, so as you can see, the hole right there, the circle, not the long one, the circle. So this is how you do it. So when you enter the, zoom in. All right, so when the screwdriver is entering from the backside, you can see, all right, you see my finger dangling right there in the back? So that's the hole, that the circle one. So you're sticking in the screwdriver. So it's gonna take a couple tries because look. So see? That's what, look at the angle I'm doing it. So it's kind of like in a 40, 45 degree angle. And then once you got the screw long enough, you see how the screws in between the springs? So when you turn it, let me do it like this. When you start turning it the opposite direction, you see that spring going up, you see? So it's like that in the angle. And then when you slowly turning it the opposite direction, you see that clip? It's lifting up. So it's releasing off of this. See this section right here? That's where that clip holds on to. So it's easy. It just takes a couple tries. So when you put it in there, just feel. And if you start turning this way and you don't feel anything moving with you, that's because it's not in the spring. So see, I'm moving it. It's hardly any movement. So you got to keep doing it. And then voila. See? And then once you start turning the opposite direction, that clip is going up and then it's releasing. And then to reinstall it, the horn connects right here. So plug that in. And then for this, it goes in an angle. Once you got it fully seated, push down on the black tab. So you hear it click in place. And then, almost got those two tangled. And then same thing for the bottom. Make sure the connector is all the way down and seated. All right, and then once you got it reconnected, just hold it centered and push. Yeah. See, now the top's locked in, and then to lock the bottom in, just push down. All right, there you go. It's locked, and that's how you reinstall it. So anybody else that was wondering how to remove the airbag, whether you got the 8th gen, which is 2016 to 2023, that's how you remove it. Or if you have an older Maxima and you swap the 8th gen into it, steering wheel into it with the airbag, that's how you remove it. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.